So I think in the medium term, what's shaping housing is very much carbon. Carbon's a big driver. We've got regulation changes. I think people and our customers are becoming more aware of carbon. It touches many aspects of their life. So I think for a house builder, we're seeing some step change in regulation. So what we're seeing is we've got the Future Home Standard, which is most likely going to set a 31% improvement in energy. And then in 2025, we've got a 75% improvement coming, but we've also got the requirement to use low carbon technology. So we're moving away from gas. So we'll see technologies such as air source heat pumps and photovoltaics coming in. And then all the way through, as a business, Barratt have set a target that we want to be zero carbon by 2030. So I think the agenda around carbon is clearly set, and that's really driving us towards looking at solutions. And what's great about the project is that it allows us to test things in a controlled environment. Opportunities, I think, I mean, obviously the key opportunity is we all recognise we've got to make a step change around the environment. You know, everyone knows that. It's clearly defined by many scientists that, you know, we can't continue on the trajectory that we're set. So I think the opportunity is that, you know, as a company, Barratt can lead the way and show how it can be done, and we should do. You know, we're the largest house builder, we should be showing the way forward. I think the other opportunity specific to the energy house is we get an opportunity to look at the technologies, as I've said, in a controlled manner. So we can actually apply them as close as you can to a live site, because it's actual houses in that environment. But what we don't have to do is then pass it on to customers, so we can push the limits, and that's important, so we understand what point and entry we need to make in these technologies. I think one of the innovations we need to not forget when we're looking at carbon is that we've also got to look that we're going to bring in things like electric cars, so how a battery is going to affect the way we use our home. So I think innovation, I think we've got a step change in house building that we haven't seen, you know, this type of change, this unprecedented change for a long time. So I think it will bring innovations all over the house. So I think what's great about Energy House 2.0 is they've set a great template with Energy House 1.0. You know, that's done some really great research, and I think it helped a lot the refurbishment market, but a lot of that knowledge has, you know, been able to help the new house build market. But, you know, the issue they had is it was a single unit. It's a much smaller unit, if you like, to deliver the research. What Energy House 2.0 does is it's a much bigger capacity, and they've taken the learnings from their first project and moved into so, you know, it looks like it's going to be able to do much more from a research point of view under a controlled environment, and test many more different innovations, which, as I've been saying, innovation is something that's going to come through and has to come through fast, and it's this type of project that allows that to happen, and so much better it's done with the university. You get that independence.